This video will demonstrate how to install the Leviton Decora Smart 600 watt dimmer. It is the same physical hardware installation process for the Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, and HomeKit product family versions. Upon completion of installation, please download the appropriate app to set up and control from a smartphone or tablet. Please be certain to follow all wiring instructions and diagrams provided with the product. When installing and terminating these Leviton devices, please have the following tools on hand: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, electrician's pliers, a wire stripper, electrical tape, and a handheld voltage tester. Be sure to turn the power off at the circuit breaker and use a voltage tester to ensure that the power is completely off. Now we need to identify the hot wire. To do this, turn the circuit breaker back on. Carefully use the voltage tester to test each wire. The hot wire will be indicated by the tester. Once identified, turn off the circuit breaker to shut power and test to ensure that the power is off. Use a small piece of electrical tape to label the hot wire. Identify whether the wiring application is single pole or a three-way application. If wiring in the box does not resemble either of these configurations, please consult an electrician. We will begin with a single pole application. Note that in this example there is a black hot line wire, a black load wire, two white neutral wires, and a bare copper wire, which is the ground. Keep in mind the colors of the wires can vary. The hot wire may be black or red. The ground wire could be green or bare copper. If you're unsure, please contact an electrician. This device is equipped with terminal screws and may be wired two ways: side wire or back wire. Side wiring is done by wrapping the conductor around the terminal screw. Back wiring is done by inserting the conductor under the clamp of the terminal screw. For this installation, we'll use back wiring. Before wiring, it's important you identify the terminal screws on the device to ensure that you're wiring it correctly. The black, or BK, is for the line or hot wire. The silver, or WH terminal, is for the neutral wire. The red, or RD terminal, is for the load. And the green terminal is for the ground wire. Next, you need to be sure that the wires are prepared for installation. Start by making sure the wires are straight and stripped according to the strip gauge. If done so already, separate the white neutral wires. To start, take the copper or ground wire and feed it under the clamp of the green terminal screw. Tighten the screw to secure. Connect the load wall box wire to terminal screw marked RD. Continue the same process for the white wire under the silver terminal screw marked terminal WH. Note, each terminal can accommodate back wiring for up to 2 conductors. Connect the line hot wall box wire to the terminal screw marked BK. Tug on all conductors to ensure the termination is secure. Note, switch terminal screw marked YL/RD should have red insulation label affixed. If the insulation is not affixed to terminal screw marked YL/RD, use electrical tape to cover. The device is now terminated. Complete the installation by tightening the mounting screws into the wall box. Install the wall plate, switch the power back on at the circuit breaker. We are now going to test the device. The status light on the dimmer will illuminate green. Press the top of the dimmer to turn the controlled light on. Press the dim bright bar up and down to raise and lower the light level. Depending upon the type of bulb you're using, you may need to make some adjustments to the settings. If lights do not turn on, refer to the troubleshooting section of the instructions. Your DZ6HD, DW6HD, or DH6HD is now ready to use like any regular dimmer. In order to control it from your phone, you need to connect it to an app. For the DZ6HD, please consult the appropriate app for your Z-Wave capable smart hub or security system, such as Samsung SmartThings or the Wink Hub. For the DW6HD, please download the My Leviton app for iOS or Android and follow the in-app wizard setup process. There's no hub required, though you can add an optional Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control over your Wi-Fi lighting controls. For the DH6HD, please download the Decora Smart Home app to an iOS device and follow the in-app prompts to easily and securely connect your Leviton HomeKit-enabled devices. As well, you can customize the experience with variable fade rates, brightness levels, and bulb types. Learn more about Decora Smart product lines with Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, or HomeKit. Please visit leviton.com/DecoraSmart.